when is my class coming? Hello. Huh, you are my two classmates, right?
Yeah.
You are not boarding in class. Well, my brother's got something important. Here's our robot. What? No robots in school. Ow! My foot! Get! Oh! Poop! Today we're gonna be learning plus. Okay, plus. What do you... Oh, look, I'm changing the maps. Good morning, city! Oh! No, the bell's ringing! Time for science! Yay! I am gonna get so horrible. Wait, the other...
I heard you have students coming over.
They're bad students. Oh, we're here.
They can't be that bad. Today is science class, and we are going to learn about some of our scientific things.
Okay.
Now, what would you like to do first?
Ow, the teacher shot my face with his laser.
I didn't see no laser. Did you do that?
Ew. Ow. See, look. Guys, look. Look at, watch. Wait, I didn't do that. Ow.
Wait, I got a great idea.
Did you just shoot her head?
I got a really great idea. How about we make an explosion potion and kill scientists? Not like
yes,
me.
science class is over.
So, I'm going to serve some...
Kill me.
What would you like for lunch?
I would love ravioli. I mean pizza.
Oh, that's great. And a very good vitamin D.
Yes, very... What? Hey, get off the table! Huh? Ooh, my bad.
Okay, can you please make some pizza for this?
No!
Okay, I'm going to kill you. Fine.
Whoa, whoa.
Here's a slice of pizza for you.
Thank you. I would love bananas. I love my fan.
Okay, let me just get a banana. Well.
Hey, Robot, what do you think about the school?
I'm going to have to get it from the vending machine.
Aw, poo. Oh, there's one right there.
I know, but that one doesn't work because I don't even have bananas, so...
Oh no, lunch is almost over. I'll just
go.
eat mine.
Ah!
Kill me.
Okay, guys, today we're going to learn how to play this game. It's going to be called the Ponytail Game. And then, what we're going to do is...
What kind of game is that?
Fine, we'll play basketball.
But where's the basketball?
I don't know. I don't got one.
I know. I can be the basketball.
You guys are good. Oh, come on, teacher.
It's time to go home.
Here you go, teacher.
Ah!
Wait
Wait a minute. The bell's gonna... Wait. Oh, yeah. I love basketball.
a minute. Where to get
I can't throw him.
Really? Guys, gym class is really good. But now the bell's gonna ring.
You stupid teacher. Kick. Oh. Well, it's time to pack up and go home. Oh, you got to be... Whoa! Well, it's time to go home.
Yep. So everybody, get your packers and make sure not to take any of my ponytails.
Is that why we're here? Monkeys!
Oopsie, you discovered my secret. This is a wig. Oopsie.
Ow! Get her! Wait, it's time to go home. Reggae robots.
Actually, I am a boy. I dress up as a girl for some reason. Wait, guys, I know I dress up like a girl.
I'm having trouble upstairs. You're not gonna help me? Okay, fine.
I'll help you. I'll help with anything. Wait!
And that's how my
No,
fart...
I'm not helping you. Hi.
And that's how my farts went bigger. Goodbye, teacher.
Yeah.